Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. Today I'm introducing the Reformed Electoral Society, which will be the new electoral body that will replace the IEC, Independent Electoral Commission. The Representation of the People Act, SA 2025, is principled and establishing a government on the foundation of the 1955 Freedom Charter, which outlines the vision for a democratic and non-racial nation. South Africa belongs to the people of South Africa only, black, whites, Indians, and coloreds. And this government will be based on the will of the people, not of political parties, crime cartels, and donors. In this government, all South African citizens shall be entitled to take part in the administration of the country through community forums, civil society groups, academic groups, and professional associations. Political parties, labor unions, and unethical IEC are completely irrelevant on the formation of this new standard of government. Our people have been robbed their votes by unethical IEC and its incompetent political parties because they choose who will represent and protect their interests. Political parties have turned into populism, manipulation mechanisms that seek to control the masses through gaslighting. They look the part, but do not have the depth. They don't represent the views and the concerns of ordinary people of South Africa. What we need is a democracy fit for 21st century, where every voice is heard, problems addressed, and every vote valued, and every South African citizen is empowered to take part in rebuilding, protecting, and preserving our heritage. Political parties are false hierarchical structures that serves only their agendas. They don't represent the views of the people of South Africa. For this reason, the new standard of government dispense the unethical IEC, Independent Electoral Commission, that allows criminal insolvent political parties to contest elections. In its place, in line with the newly enacted Act, the Representation of the People Act 2025, which allows all people of South Africa, their opinions, their principles, and their views to be represented in the parliament and provincial and local legislative in SA through independent candidate, civil society movements, academic groups, and professional associations. The South African Reformed Electoral Society will take over all electoral processes in South Africa. The SA Reform Electoral Society will manage the transparent, credible, free and fair elections at all levels of government. The organization will consist of credible chief electoral officers, district election officers, electoral registration officers, assistant electoral registration officers, chief electoral officers, and district election officers, etc. These officers will conduct all electoral rolls for parliamentary constituency, electoral rolls for assembly constituencies, and electoral roll for every constituency in SA government using the single transferable vote. The single transferable voting system, which will give the people power to choose which candidate represent them in parliament. The system will work to ensure that voters are not robbed of their votes and eliminates the need for political parties, crime cartels, and their lobbying groups to operate in our government. In this electoral process, no foreign national is allowed to contest elections. No persons or individuals who were sentenced by court or who is implicated in corruption and money laundering is allowed to contest elections. Ward councillors must reside in the ward, district, or constituency they represent. You can't be a councillor of a township, yet you are residing in a suburban area. You must reside with the people you represent for them to hold you accountable. The electoral roll for each constituency shall be prepared in the prescribed manner by reference to the qualifying date and shall come into force immediately upon its final publication in accordance with the rules made under this Act. The Representation of the People Act will be gazetted and published once reformation processes have taken effect. Let us all take part in rebuilding our nation while setting aside politics. I thank you.